Alright, ladies and gentlemen, Fabs in the house. And today I've got the Bestech Dolphin or 1707 here with me for a quick maintenance video. But hey, don't forget to like the video and to subscribe to the channel if you're enjoying this kind of content. So let's see, let's try to improve the action of this guy because, I mean, it's not bad, but I think we can do something better. So we're just gonna need... probably I don't have the proper tool, but just like a flathead screwdriver, it's gonna do the job in this case. Nice oversized pivot, and I think this is gonna be what, a T6? Yeah, it's just a T6 for the handle screws. Which one is out? And two is out as well. So very nice. And straightforward, so this is here, and let's do 1 and 2. So we keep the same position as usual. Nice pivot collar, titanium scales, internally milled out to reduce some weight. I like the, I appreciate the stainless steel hardened washer just to improve the action, but we want to improve it even more. And yeah, look at this, we're gonna improve it. Actually, this guy is running on ceramic ball bearings. I mean, this is not a cheap one. It's what, like $180, $150, something like in that ballpark. So not like the cheapest, and it's sporting S35 yen, ceramic ball bearings, ceramic detent ball, titanium frame lock, stainless steel lock face insert. I mean, it's checking all the boxes for sure. Pivot collar. I mean, guys, this is like a, let's say, I mean, not a cheap one, of course, but for the price, what do you guys think? Let me know in the comments, but I think this is just a pretty much a solid one. See, nice, nicely built. This pretty cool pivot collar. Let's just dry this guy out. This goes back in. Stop in right over there. Let's just leave it there. It's fine. I mean, over travel stop bar integrated with the stainless steel lock face insert, titanium back spacer anodized, milled clip. I mean, they put some effort into this one, I can tell that. Pivot is not D-shaped, so it's gonna be spinning, most likely. Let's see. And we're gonna use just some nano weight, the 10 weight, sorry, nano oil. They marked like 2 and 1, probably, here. That's interesting. This guy is gonna be like that, so that is in. This guy is in, like so. We're gonna use a little bit of heavier weight nano oil, like just to coat a little bit the ceramic detent ball. And we're gonna use, of course, another bearing. And of course, we're gonna use a little bit of nano oil to lube that up. And we are in business with this washer, like so, like that. Yeah. So let's do the handle screw first on this side, just like this, and that is in. We're gonna tighten them up in a bit. That's the second one, and it's in as well. It's nicely done, guys. I have to say, I have to admit, I was yeah, look at this. I was thinking what I was thinking. So this guy goes out. Probably we have to reopen everything, right? Let's see if everything stayed aligned. Oh yeah, actually that's good. So, and this guy goes back in, like so. Just gentle here because I don't have the right tool. Actually, I think like a dime would probably work for this this case. I mean, or maybe like I was thinking like the Leatherman flathead screwdriver. Let's see if that's not it. If the handle screws are nice and tight, of course don't over tighten anything. Let me check here if this is all, it's good. Blade looks pretty good to me. Ooh, oh yeah guys. Hey, actually, this is really good. Indeed. Action on this guy has been improved 100%. No blade play. Oh yeah. Oh yes. I am satisfied. So there you have it, guys. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. Please don't forget to subscribe. And thanks for watching. Stay tuned.